Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and smiling. Children, welcome to the second session of your 11th chapter, that is Pronouns. In our first session, we read about pronouns. We read what are personal pronouns. We read a pronoun is any word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. We read that there are many pronouns like he, she, it, we, you, they, etc. We read how personal pronouns can be divided or can be grouped as first person, second person and third person. Children, in our today's session, we are going to learn that personal pronouns can be divided into more forms. Like here, look at this picture. This is Mark. Oops. Can you see? He seems unhappy. And do you know why he is sad? He is sad because Mom shouts at Mark. Let's write this. Mom shouts at Mark. Now children, here, as we already know, pronouns can take place of any noun in a sentence. So we can replace this noun mum with she and we can copy down the same sentence. Shouts at Mark. So children, here this she, yes, this she is used for Mark's mother, or you can say for in place of mum. So children, here shout isn't, it is a verb, or you can say it is an action word. So let's highlight. This is an action word. And who is performing this action? Mom is performing this action, and in place of mom we have written the pronoun she here. So here the pronoun she is performing this action, is performing the action of shouting on Mark. So children, as we already know, the words which perform an action in a sentence are termed as subject. So here this pronoun is performing the action. So this pronoun who is performing the action is called subjective pronoun. So here she is actually a subjective pronoun. Correct? So the pronouns which perform the action are called in the sentence are called subjective pronouns. Now let's go back to this sentence. I told you this is Mark. He is unhappy because Mom shouts at Mark. So Mark is a repetitive noun. Repetitive noun. So in place of Mark, we can write him. As him is also a pronoun. The children, here Mom shouts at Mark, or you can say Mom shouts at him. Him is actually receiving the action. Mom is shouting at him. So him, or you can say Mark, is receiving the action. So it is an objective pronoun. It is the objective pronoun. So we can say the pronouns which perform an action in the sentence are subjective pronouns, whereas the pronouns which receive an action in the sentence are objective pronouns. Now children, you know what? I want to tell you something. Now, as you already know about singular, about first person, second person and third person, now you know about subjective and objective pronouns also. But children, I want to tell you something more. So, let's have a look at this table here. Children, do you know I have a dog and we call it Alpha. So, I can say I like Alpha and Alpha likes me, right? So, because I am telling this thing, I am performing the action. So, this is the subjective side, or you can say the showing doer of action. So, this is subjective and this is object, because here I'm saying Alpha likes me. So, me here is actually object, because here I am receiving the action of love from Alpha. Next, my mother also likes Alpha. So, we can say she likes Alpha and Alpha likes her. So, she is subjective pronoun and her is actually objective pronoun. Next, my father also likes it, and Alpha also likes my father. So, we can say he likes Alpha and Alpha likes him. We can say he likes Alpha and Alpha likes him. Right? Correct? Now children, you know what, my father bought a ball for him and it was awesome. So I said it is awesome. Here I am talking about the ball. So it is awesome. It is subjective here, and Alpha also liked it. So Alpha likes it. It. So children, it remains same in subjective as well as objective form. Next, then what happened? Some family members came to our home and we all like Alpha. So we say we like Alpha and Alpha likes us. So we, because we are performing the action, so we are the subjective form and us is the objective form. Next, now they all like him. Like when I talk about only them, only those family members of mine, so they like Alpha and Alpha likes them. Now, if you will come to my place, you will also like Alpha. So, you like Alpha and Alpha likes you. So, you also remain same in both subjective as well as objective form. So, children, here I means only me, like I am speaking this sentence and I am only one. So, this is first person and in singular form. So, this is first person in singular and he, she, it. Like here, I was talking about my father, my mother only, and they are also one. So, this is third person in singular form. So, okay. Third person, singular form. Children, I told you in our previous session also that you remains same in singular as well as in plural form, and you is actually the second form where I actually talk with the person. So, this is you. You remain same in second form, that is second person, both in singular and plural form. So, you remains you in both singular and plural form, and it is actually the second person. Next is we. Here we. So, I am also included in it. Here I am also talking along with other people. So it is first person in plural form. This P denotes plural and this S denotes singular form. So P in singular plural form, first person plural in plural or in plural form, and they. They means I'm talking about somebody else, someone else, and that too about so many people, more than one person. So this is what? This is third person and plural form. Right, children? So I hope this is clear to you. Now, children, do you know what? There. Now, look at this picture. Here, this boy is pointing towards the car and saying, that is our car. That is car. So here, this word, that, is referring to that car, and it is also pointing towards this specific car only, towards that specific car only. So that is a pronoun. And do you know what kind of pronoun it is? It is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun point to the specific person, animal or thing that they refer to. Now, children, let's see some more examples. If I say, this is my house. So, this is my house. Here, this is actually a pronoun, a demonstrative pronoun. Similarly, if I say, these are oranges. So these is again a demonstrative pronoun. Children, there are 4 demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those. So let's say those are lemons. This, that, these and those. This and these are used for nouns which are near to us. When there is only one noun which is near to us, we use this. When there are many, we use these. Similarly, when there is one noun or one, like we can say one thing, one animal or one person that is far from us, we use that, like the boy pointed towards the car. So it was, that is our car. And when there is more than one thing, like more nouns, then we say those are those. We use the demonstrative pronoun those. Children, I hope this is clear to you. Now with this, I would like to end this session. And your today's homework is, you have to complete exercise B, exercise C, D in your book. So your homework is complete, do exercise C and D in your book.